Hey YouTube, it's Buckbuster coming at you. It's Tuesday, July 3rd. Just wanted to share with you another addition to the collection. Motorman 0057. I'd like to give him a big shout out for putting out the deal alert on these about a month ago. At the time he put the video out, I had remembered scoring a pack of these back in 2015 or so, I thought. And I put a comment on his video that, to tell him I was thankful that he, posted the deal alert, but I'd already gotten some. Anyway, fast forward a couple weeks later, I was looking at some boxes online on this website. If I can get it to focus here, 22boxid.com, and I noticed that there was two different varieties. So I looked back at my video and noticed that the one I had scored was this one here for the M&P 22 compact, and the one at Academy was just for the M&P. So had to get one for the collection, and Academy's got free shipping over $25, so I had to pick me up two. Ordered them back on the 1st. They came in at $12.99 each. Totals $25.98. $1.56 for tax. It's $27.54 to my door. I'd also like to give a big shout out to the people that packaged this up at store 186 in Collierville, Tennessee. You guys rock. One of the best packing jobs I've seen from Academy. They had those two boxes in this piece of bubble wrapped, and it was probably at least six layers of bubble wrap around it, and it was packed in here tight. There was no movement whatsoever. So, way to go, guys. Keep it up. Anyway, hope everybody has a fun and safe 4th of July. Appreciate you watching. Talk at you later. Buckbuster. Out.